Today we discuss about the chapter parameter and area. First of all, what is the parameter of a square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram and circumference of circle? Then area of a square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram and circle. Why the parameter of a square is 4 into side? Why the parameter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width? We know about all the type of formulas related to the parameter and area, why it is 4 into side, why it is 2 into L plus B, why it is sum of all side, why is it 2 into L plus B, up and so on. Let us start the chapter parameter and area. Here, first of all, you understand about what is parameter. Parameter is the boundary line. Example, this one be the square. What is its parameter? The boundary of a square is known as parameter. The boundary of rectangle is known as parameter. This red boundary is parameter. The boundary of triangle is known as parameter. How we find out the all its parameter and area? Second one, what is area? Area is the inner portion. This black shaded region be the area of a square. This black shaded region be the area of rectangle, and this black shaded region be the area of triangle. These are the examples. Black shaded region is known as area because it covers definite space. When a box is placed here, then it covers the area on the board. So the black shaded region is the area and the red boundary line is known as the parameter. Firstly, we understand what is the parameter of square. Here the parameter of a square, this one be the square of side AB, BC, CD and DA. The boundary of this square is the parameter. How we find? Add the boundary. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is the boundary AB, BC, CD and DA. This is the square and in a square all sides are equal. Let one side be S. Then all sides become S. Therefore, AB is equal to S, BC is equal to S, CD is equal to S and DA also become S. Here S plus S plus S plus S means 4 times S. I mean to say 4 into side. So here the parameter of square is 4 into side. In this way we find out the formula related to the parameter of the square 4 into side. How we find its area? We find the area of the square, the black shaded region is the area. So how to find area of square? Here we find the area by multiplying any two sides AB into BC, or you can say BC into CD or CD into DA. Any the multiplication of two lines is be the area of the square. Here one side be S and other side also S, so S into S means S square. Here S is the side, therefore side square be the area of square. Here we will discuss about the parameter of rectangle. What is the parameter of rectangle? Here ABCD is the rectangle and the ABCD is the boundary line of the rectangle. So here AB plus BC plus CD plus D is the boundary of rectangle. Put the value of AB is L because this is the length of rectangle, and in rectangle this means AB equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Here, put the value of all the segment of rectangle L, B, L, B. Here L plus L become 2L, B plus B become 2B. Take 2 as common from L and B, so parameter of rectangle become 2 into length plus breadth. Here L be the length of rectangle and B be the breadth of rectangle. Then we have to find out the area of rectangle. Here the red portion or red shaded portion is the area of rectangle. The multiplication of any two sides is known as the area. So here we multiply AB into BC. Here the value of AB is L and BC is B. So put the value L into B. So we find out the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Let us find out the parameter of triangle. Here A, B and C is the triangle and AB plus BC and CA be the parameter of triangle. So put the value. So at the boundary line AB plus BC plus CA. Here ABB of any measurement, BCB of any measurement and CAB also be of any measurement. So here we can say sum of all sides. So here parameter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. You know very well triangle are of three types. First known as equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. In this situation the parameter of triangle is equal to 3 into side, because one side is x centimeter, then x plus x become 3x, means 3 into side. Here x be the side. Second type of triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, in isosceles triangle two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Here the parameter of triangle is sum of all sides. In the third one, scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. In this situation, the parameter of triangle is sum of all sides. But in equilateral triangle, you can say the parameter of triangle is 3 into side. Then we have to find out the area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? The area of triangle, here the red shaded portion is the area of triangle. We have to multiply two sides, but one side be the base and other side be the height. Here when we draw perpendicular line from A on the line BC at D, perpendicular line is the straight line drawn an angle of 90 degree. Then this one become the height. Here AD be the height of triangle and BC is the base of triangle because it's set upon it. Here we have 1 upon 2 into base into height. This is the area of triangle. This is the area of triangle for all type of triangle, whether it is a equilateral triangle, whether it is isosceles, or whether it is a scalene triangle. Here B be the base of the triangle and H be the height of triangle. So we find out the parameter and then area. Let us find out the parameter of parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D is the parallelogram of height H and base B. So first of all we have to find the parameter of parallelogram, means the boundary line. Here the boundary line AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. In parallelogram, parallel sides are equal. This means AB equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. So if one line be B, then other line let capital A. So in this way, put the value of the line segment. Here 2B plus 2A, take common 2 from B and A, so it becomes B plus A, or you can say A plus B, means the same parameter of parallelogram is equal to parameter of rectangle is equal to parameter of parallelogram. In the rectangle we take the length and breadth. In the rectangle we take the length and breadth, and here we change the value. Here B be the base and A be the other side. So in this way we find out the area of the parallelogram. So here we find out the parameter of parallelogram. Then we have to find out the area of parallelogram. So what is the area of parallelogram? The multiplication of the two sides, one be the base and other be the height. So area of parallelogram is base and the multiplication of height. Here base is CD, DC and height is say AE. Put the value of DC is B and put the value of height AE. H means area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. We find out easily the formula of the parameter of parallelogram and the area of parallelogram. Let us find out the circumference of circle. First of all, what is the circumference? Circumference is also the parameter, but for circle, parameter is known as by the special name circumference. Here, a circle of center O, radius small r, and the double of radius is known as diameter or 2r. If this line OA be the radius, then OB be also be the radius. Here this one the value here the value of OA is r, so the value of OB is also become r. So the addition of AB is equal to 2r. So how we find out the boundary line of the circle? Here the circumference of circle is said to be 2r into pi. Here what is 2r? 2r be the diameter of the circle and pi is the constant. Here pi is the ratio of the circumference of the circle to the radius of the circle. Its value is, here the value of the pi is 22 upon 7, or in the decimal form its value becomes 3.14. In the questions you put any of the value, pi equal to 22 upon 7 or pi equal to 3.14. This is in fraction form, but this is in decimal form. So write 2 pi, we can write also it as the circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Here pi is the constant. Let us find out the area of the circle. Here area of the circle, you know very well, the area of the circle be the inner portion. So how we find out the black shaded region? The area of the circle is said to be the pi r square, means the here the area of the circle is pi r square. Here the area of the circle is the multiplication of the constant pi to the square of the radius of the circle. In this way we find out the area of the circle. So we easily find out the parameter of square, parameter of rectangle, parameter of triangle, parameter of parallelogram, then circumference of circle. In the same manner we find out the area of square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram and circle in the easy method. So revise, the boundary line of the square is 4 into side, because in square 4 sides, and the parameter of rectangle, two sides are equal and two sides are equal, means 2 into length plus breadth. In triangle, sum of all sides, and parallelogram parameter is 2 into a plus b. Here a be the one side and b be the other side of the parallelogram. What is the area of the circle? 2 pi r, or you say 2r into pi constant. Then we have to find the area of the square. What is the area of a square? The area of a square is side square. Here the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here the area of the triangle is 1 upon 2 into base of triangle to the multiplication of the height of the triangle. In parallelogram, this half remove, means base into height. Circumference pi r square, multiplication of the constant pi to the square of the radius. In this way we find out with easy method the parameter and area of the square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, circle. So let us begin the question related to the parameter and area. Basic question, the rectangle. So first question is like that: the length of the rectangle is 8 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. The parameter of the rectangle is equal to question mark. Here how we find the parameter of rectangle? You know very well, parameter of rectangle is equal. So here put the value of the length 8 centimeter and breadth 6 centimeter, means 8 plus 6 14. 14 to the 28 parameter, and unit of length and breadth is in centimeter, so parameters unit is also in centimeter. So what is the parameter? In the next type of question, the breadth is question mark. In the first type of question, the parameter is question mark, and here the breadth is question mark. How we find out the breadth of the rectangle? Put the value. Here the value of parameter of rectangle is 28. So put this parameter value at that place, 28. 2. The value of length is 8, and the value of breadth we don't know. We have to find the value of breadth. So here we write breadth as b. BODMAS say first you have to solve the bracket of divide, then you have to solve multiply, add, subtract. Here there is no divide, so come on the multiply, then add, then subtract. So multiply 2 to 8, then 2 to b. 2 into 8 plus 2 into b. Here 2 8 is 16 and 2 into b is 2b. Then Send 16 to this side. 28 minus 16 is equal to 2b. Here minus 28 from 16 equal to 14. Here 2b. Therefore b is equal to 14 upon 2 means 7 centimeter. 2 in the 2, 2 7 the 14. In this way we find out the value of breadth is 7 centimeter. Some students do such type of mistake at that place. The mistake done by the student is like that. Students write 14 equal to 2b like that. 14 minus 2 is equal to b. This is the wrong method and this is the true method. 14 is equal to 2b. Here 2 is written with the multiplication sign with the b. So then b is equal to 14 upon 2. Let check one number. Cross multiply b into 2, 2b, and 1 into 14, 14. So this is the correct method. Here I will try my best to understand you about the different types of phenomena, different types of formulas, different type of chapters in maths. So please subscribe, like and share my channel so that all students may watch and understand very easily the sums of maths.